Watch your fingers now.
Yeah, don't worry.
Alright.
Don't distract me.
Come with me to see the crocodiles in Black River, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Today, we are going on a journey in Black River, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica to see crocodiles. We are driving on the south coast, which is mostly main roads, which are fairly good for Jamaica. Black River was the first town in Jamaica to get electricity, which is very surprising based on its current primitive state. Once you drive into the town, you will go over the metal bridge. You will then enter a car park and enter the main entrance, where you will see the schedule for the day and pay the entrance fee. It's important to note that this tour runs on a schedule. However, this schedule can be flexible if you have enough people in your group to run extra boats between tours. The tour will have you cruising along the Black River of Jamaica's south coast to learn about the wildlife and history of the communities found along the island's longest navigable river.
Black River is the first town to get electricity, first town to own a motor car here in Jamaica, even before some place in New York. Back in the days, they usually use this river to transport rum and molasses. So that building where you guys coming from, they all were sugar beer houses.
You will be cruising on a pontoon boat for approximately 1.5 hours to get the best views of the crocodiles in their natural habitat. We have chosen the J. Charles Swaby Black River Tour. However, there are other official and several unofficial tours. Some of these unofficial tours are in small fishing boats, so make sure you know what you are comfortable taking to see the crocs. As mentioned, this tour includes crocodiles in their natural habitat, and therefore the tour is worth making official for safety and boat sturdiness. Also, the Swaby family is heavily involved in the rehabilitation and relocation of these endangered crocodiles for their safety, so it's important to support the work they are doing. Crocodiles are the only dangerous animal in Jamaica and are found in specific areas around the island, with this being the most popular tour. The Black River Safari Tour takes place on the wetlands of St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth is Jamaica's breadbasket parish and produces the main source of fruits and vegetables for the hotels in Jamaica. This lush area is home to many of Jamaica's indigenous flora and fauna and has intertwined mangrove trees, some that you can climb in designated areas if you choose. Signage is around the property to warn you not to tease or get close to the crocodiles. Crocodiles move extremely fast without warning, so taunting them is not advised. Today, we are lucky enough to see crocodiles sunbathing before the tour even started. You will enjoy the opportunity to see many of these up close and personal as you traverse Jamaica's longest navigable river. The longest river in Jamaica is actually Rio Minho, however, it's not fully navigable. Your journey along the Black River will continue as you search for and find crocodiles. The captain may allow you to feed them fish or chicken. We brought some and asked if we could feed them, or they may invite the crocodiles boatside for a feeding or even a kiss. Crocodiles can jump, so make sure you have all of your fingers and toes in the boat during these thrilling yet dangerous encounters. You will enjoy the picturesque views of the lush mangrove and see birds and other wildlife along the way. Some of the crocodiles even find a spot under these birds, hoping for them to fall or drop their eggs. If you like what we are doing, then please click on the bell below for notifications and subscribe to our channel for weekly shows.
Go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go.
I was hesitant to do this tour as a friend had done the tour and not seen any crocodiles, but we have done the tour many times and always get to see several crocodiles up close. They don't always come up to the boat, and they don't always stay above water as you approach. However, they have always been there for us. What I found interesting is that they are territorial, and each crocodile chooses a location, a so-called chill spot along the river, to spend most of the day. They may leave to get food, but always go back to the same spot. Some crocodiles shared spaces, but as they got older, they start to fight and had to separate. Each crocodile is named and known to the staff based on color, location, and size. Crocodiles are protected by law in Jamaica. Some people do try and cut off their tails or eat them, but if they are caught, they have to face the law. It is also illegal to trade in crocodiles, whether dead or alive. Such action attracts a fine of up to 2 million Jamaican dollars or 2 years in prison. Following our tour, we got the opportunity to hold a baby crocodile in the nursery, which is on the property. The Swaby family saves these babies from being eaten by allowing them to grow in the nursery until they get big enough to be released. You will also see turtles who are safe with the babies, but not put in with the adult crocodiles who can break their shell to eat them.
Alright, so welcome to our crocodile nursery. Alright, so we rescued these crocodiles. We took them from off the road, out of people's backyard. So far we have released over 299 crocodiles back to the river. Now inside here, we separate them by the size because a bigger crocodile will hurt the smaller ones. Now maybe you guys are wondering why we have the big crocodiles here. Whenever we go and catch a big crocodile, we're unable to release them back to the river at the same time. Reason being, crocodiles, they have a small brain but a long memory. We have done it before where we caught big crocodile, release them back to the river, and they went back to where we got them from. Now whenever we're releasing the crocodiles, we normally tag them, so if we encounter with them again, we know exactly that we have took them from our nursery before. Alright, so this one here is Catty. He was in someone's backyard eating off all their cats, so we gave him that name, but he's a male. That's Dora across there. These are like 13 years. Very big for 13 years. What we do, we feed them a lot. The more they eat is the faster they grow. Now we have a few small ones here. And we have Shirley. Those are like 7 years. So it's a slow process, but we're trying our best to maintain the crocodile population.
Rinse them off and then again. Take a hole in, man.
Alright, those that you have in Africa and Australia, those are very aggressive. Alright, so this small one here is around 3 years.
To book Black River Safari, contact your travel agent and Jamaica specialist. We would love to hear from you. We have provided our contact information below and love to read your comments. Please click on the bell below for the notifications and subscribe to our channel for weekly shows. We hope you enjoyed our Black River Safari crocodile adventure and look forward to you joining us on our next journey.